Today's my birthday! 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 Birthday, birthday, birthday! Birthday, birthday, birthday! Birthday! Birthday, birthday, birthday! Birthday, birthday, birthday! Birthday! Where is everybody?
Okay, guys, remember, when he comes, you just surprise him. Like, scare the eggs at him. You got it?
Can I have a beer?
No beer for you. Okay, we got it, Iceberg. Good. Uh-oh, here he comes. Go, guys, go. Hide.
I wonder where everyone is. I sure hope they didn't forget my birthday.
Surprise!
Ah!
You guys scared the eggs out of me!
That's right.
Not the point. Whatever. Hey, you guys remember my birthday!
And we got you gifts. Look at mine.
I wonder what he got me. Ooh, I can't wait.
I know you're all about fun, so I got you a kite.
Wow, look at that kite! Holy nuts! Here, bring it over here. I want to hold it. Kite! Thanks, Bluebird! Wow, Bluebird, thanks for that kite! It was one of the greatest gifts I've ever got! Thanks!
You're welcome.
Well, I don't mean to be greedy or anything, but did anybody else get me some gifts?
Ooh. I got you a gift.
You did?
It's what you like and what I like. Here, I'll go get it.
Wait a minute. What he likes? Uh-oh.
I got you a beer.
A beer?
Yeah, a beer.
I don't drink beer.
Oh, come on, Orange Bird. Why not just a tiny swig?
Well, I guess you can't knock it till you tried it. Ugh, disgusting.